Welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to modify some things in the our project, and we will try to add windows and doors and curtain walls to our first floor. Okay. So first of all, what I want to modify and edit is that I would like to see this wall to come to here till here. What I am going to do is that I can do it in two ways actually. If I go to the ground floor, a first floor, let's say, and I want to see the underlay. I'll click on it. I'll want to see the ground floor. So it shows something like this. And here I can't move the underground floor. What should I do? Actually, this will not it will be useless to move it from here. Actually, I will go to here and I will say, show me the first floor. And in the ground floor it shows me the dashed lines of first floor. I want to attach this to here. So what I'm going to do is that I can move it like this, or I will control Z it and I will go to the modify and I will go to the align tool. So I'll type AL and I will select this as a reference. Then I'll click on this. It will move to here. Okay, so let me go out from here and you see something like this appeared. Okay, I want to edit this roof or I want to edit this wall. No problem, I will just edit the roof. Let me edit the roof. I'll go to here and I will click on this and I will edit the boundary. I'll just move it from here. Let me see. I will move it, let's say 250. Okay, I'll move it 250. I'll click on it and it says attach. Yes, I will say attach and I'll go to the 3D. You see something like this appeared, and I want this wall to be to attach this wall. This time I will not go to the plans. I will just go to the modify and go to the align tool or AL. Let me just AL. I'll click on this face. I'll say this is my reference and just bring this wall to here. I'll click it and it will comes to this floor. If you noticed that the roof followed the wall because we locked the roof to the wall in the previous videos. It touched this floor exterior face. Okay, now it's touched it. Why I extended this? Because I when it's raining, the rain it will hit the door and it will make the door. If it's like wood, it will make it. It will destroy the wood. Okay, but I wanted to extend this so it will not. The rain will not hit the door. Okay, so I'm going to do this with this one too. I'll go to the first floor and I'll just edit this and I'll just say, let's say something like this. How much is it? I'll say 50. Let's put 50 half meters and click on it. I say attach and I'll go to the 3D. Okay, something like this appeared. I'll attach this with this one. AL for aligning. I'll click my reference or my destination and I'll click on this floor and you see something like this appeared. Let me see if I have any doors here in the back. No, I don't have any doors. Okay, something like this is very good. Okay, so it will not hit the door. The rain will not hit the door or snow will not hit the door. Okay, so this is how we try to modify our things. Now I'm going to ground floor. Something like this appeared. I'll just say none. I'll make it as it was. So something like this appeared. And I will go to the first floor. I want to add the doors. I will click on DR for bringing door. I will add the door here. let me add the doors. Yeah, I'll press space and it will change the direction. And I want this to be 10, or let's make it 15, and it will be 15. This is how it works. And I want to align this to this. I'll press AL on the keyboard. I say this is my destination. I move this one here. You see how it worked? Now I can just move this one here and it will attach to it. You see? This is how it works. Now I want to add a window. I will use window, WN for the window. I will use the longest, the larger one. I'll click on this and I'll just click on it. And I want to have this one. Let me see. I want this one to be higher, in the higher place. What I'm going to do is that I will just edit the sill height. The sill height, I will make it 1 meter and I will apply it. It will be 1 meters. You see, something like this appeared. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to the first floor and I want to have the same thing here. What I'm going to do is that I will use my mirror draw axis. Okay, we have two types, but I'm going to use mirror draw axis. I'll click on this. The shortcut was DM. I'll click on DM and I'll say this is my center. This will be my center, the center of the floor. Click on it and it says outside of the hosts. So there is a problem. So what I'm going to do, I'll not host it to here. I will mirror it to the other part of this window. I will just click on it. So now it appeared. Why it was a mistake from here? I showed you this on purpose because I tried to make it in the center of this wall. But this is, if I make it in the center of wall, this window will go out. I should center it with this floor, okay, like this. And if I want to have some, let's see, I think it's good. It's good. It's very good. And let me add a curtain wall here. How can I add curtain wall here? I'll go to the WA and go to the storefront. I will add this one here. For example, I will click on this and click it on the half, for example. Don't be precise with this one. I'll just double escape and I'm going to see it in 3D, how it appears. Good. But I don't like it to be like this. I want to attach it with the roof. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to select it and attach top roof. And it says I'm going to delete blah blah blah. Yes, delete it. I want to adjust it. Something like this appears. So this is how we added the doors and we added the mullions, I mean the curtain walls, and we edited some part of the things of the building. Yeah. So the quote of today is, whatever you are, be a good one. See you in the next video. Goodbye.